Welcome to 15 Wax Myrtle Lane in Hilton Head, South Carolina. This is Chris Harrow at Keller Williams Realty. 15 Wax Myrtle Lane is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, complete with tiled, screened back porch on Moss Creek's Devil's Elbow South golf course. Our walking tour is designed to give you a better sense for this property, inside and out. Wax Myrtle Lane is a quiet cul-de-sac street, and the home site is less than a quarter of an acre with 2 paved parking spots in front. The double doors lead to the foyer, with a large coat closet with plenty of room for golf clubs and fishing rods. The door to the left leads to the first of 3 bedrooms, with new carpet, plantation shutters, recessed lighting, and 2 pocket doors leading to the full bath, and walk-in closet. The living room has a tall, vaulted ceiling that goes to roughly 15 feet. The picture window looks out to the 3rd fairway. To our left, we'll move into the kitchen and adjoining dining area, with recessed lighting, chair rail, and tile floors. The 150-yard marker on the 3rd fairway is just past the trees on the left. And moss-draped oak trees shade the grilling patio and backyard. The back bedroom has a private entrance from the patio, another walk-in closet, recessed lighting, plantation shutters, and tiled floor. The second bath also has tile floors, with a full shower tub and full-size washer and dryer. And the next door on the left is the 3rd bedroom, with new carpet, plantation shutters, and 2 large closets. And we're back to the front door for one more look at the front yard. I hope this tour has been helpful to you. For more information or to see this home in person, please contact Chris Harrow, Keller Williams Realty.